Hello guys, so ayan nga, may nag-email nga sa atin no, na ano daw siya magpo-promote ng ads sa ating page at bibigyan daw tayo ng $900 per day. No? So, tuwan-tuwa tayo kasi napakalaki nga ng amount na yun, no? Halos 50,000 pesos. No? Ito yung sinabi niya. We want to promote our brand on your page. Multinational brands din hawak nila na video ads banner, page related. So, hawak daw nila yung Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Nike, and Puma. No? So, masayang-masaya tayo dyan. Kaya sabi ko ay, yes, I am interested. At ito pa, sabi niya ha. First, we would like to confirm your payment method. No? Kung paano doon nila ako babayaran. So, yung option, PayPal, Paytime yan, Bitcoin. Nakita nyo, dami. Google Ads, Money. So, sabi ko, GCash or bank account or Western Union. Yung sinabi ko sa kanya. Yan. So, ang sabi niya, great, we will pay you through GCash. Get started to need. Sign up daw ako. Yun. So, ituturo nila sa akin. Kailangan ko daw ma-invite. Yun. Sabi ko, if that was true, I will make PayPal account kasi dahil yung old PayPal account ko ay nagkakaroon ng error, no? So, okay, yes, I agree. Sabi niya, now check your Gmail. Ang galing na itong ano na to, Anya. Kasi pinadala niya ako ng email talaga na para nakalink sa aking Facebook yung ano, dun sa Meta Business Suite. So, ayan, I already accept the invitation. Pero gawa-gawa lang nila yung link, no, na rumirekta sa Business Suite. Kaya mapapaniwala ka talaga nila. Yan. I-copy ko daw yan, yung business Facebook settings na yan. Tapos sundin ko raw yan, yung mga steps na yan. Click button, click on add page, tapos write Facebook page name in the box. Yan. So, grabe to kasi, ayan o. Sunod, kinausap na nila ako through WhatsApp. Paggamit nila yung NPR. Kita nyo, no? Yan, yung NPR music, ano, ang ginamit nilang account. Pero tingin ko, ginagamit lang nila kasi may 1 million follower yung NPR na yun, eh. No? Ayan, no? So, sabi niya, click, then send me the full screenshot. Yun, inuutusan ka na niya. Copy this link and paste Chrome browser and send me the full screenshot. We will guide you further. Sabi niya yan, tinuturuan niya ako anong gagawin. Click here, then send me the full screenshot. Yung gano'n, no? Tapos, yan, tinuturo niya sa akin kung ano dapat i-click. Yan, tinuro niya na yung business suite dyan, eh. Tapos yung admin, eh. Yan. Click here, then send the full screenshot. Yan, grabe nga niyan, yung step by step na tutorial niya. Yan. Setup guide. Yan, tapos siyempre ni-screenshot ko. Tapos bandang huli, ito na yung gusto niyang mangyari. Ayun, no. Yan, yung saan ba? Yung admin na to, eh. Sige. Yan, no. Kita mo? Admin yung tinuturo niya. So, pag in-add mo siya dyan, guys, wala na. Makakuha niya na yung full control ng buong mong page. Ikikikan na niyan. Kung anong gagawin niya or ibebenta yung page mo. Sabi niya, click here. Tapos sabi ko, before I add you as an admin, kindly send me your full credentials or legit FB page for me to know you better. O, tapos, nilagay niya link yung npr.org, no? https://npr.org. So, yung npr.org na yan, may 1.1 million followers sa Facebook. Di ko alam kung talagang related yan o ginagamit lang ng mga scammer, no? Kaya, ingat kayo guys, no? Sa NPR na yan at saka sa Anya sponsor. Yung sponsor kanina, no? Ayan. So, chinek ko, yan yung link na binigay niya, NPR Music, na may 1.1 million followers sa Facebook. Yan ang ginagamit niya. So, shoutout niya, no? Kung hindi ka man kasabot dyan, paki-ano na lang. Clear na lang yung ano, kung hindi ka kasabot ng scammer. Kasi, nilagay niya yung link mo, kayo daw yan na legit, no? So, yun. Siyempre, tinanong natin yung Google kung legit nga ba talaga. At ito ang sinabi, no?
No, it is highly unlikely to be legitimate if someone offers you an advertisement on your Facebook page but needs admin access to do so. This sounds like a common scam aimed at stealing control of your page. Here's why. Reasons why it's a scam. Admin access gives full control. As an admin, they can remove you, change your password, post inappropriate content, spam your followers, or even sell your page. Legitimate advertisers don't require admin access. Reputable companies have their own ad platforms and don't need direct access to your page. The offer is likely too good to be true. Promises of high-paying ads without effort are often red flags. What to do instead? Never grant admin access to anyone you don't fully trust. Report the offer to Facebook. Learn about Facebook's advertising policies and options. You can run ads yourself or partner with a reputable digital marketing agency. Be cautious of unsolicited offers and do your research before accepting any deals. Here are some resources from Facebook to help you learn more. About Facebook Business Manager. Link to Facebook. Facebook Ads Help Center. Less than invalid URL removed greater than. How to report something on Facebook. Less than invalid URL removed greater than. Remember, protecting your page and its followers is your top priority.